Today we are reviewing Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2023. Moto G Stylus 5.3 2023 has a display size of 6.6 inches and has a display type of IPS LCD with a resolution of 1080p and 399 ppi. The screen-to-body ratio is 20:9, which is about 87.5%. The front-facing camera has megapixel of 16 megapixel. There's an internal storage of 256 GB with microSD expansion available. There is no wireless charging available on this phone. For security options, there is fingerprint on the side and face unlock feature. The rear camera has 50 megapixel along with 8 megapixel ultra wide. There is portrait mode available on both front and rear cameras. This phone has 6 GB RAM. The processor on this phone is Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. The maximum video recording resolution is 4K, 30 FPS rear, and 1080p front. The battery capacity on this phone is 5,000 mAh in 20 watts. The software on this phone is Android 13. This was a review for Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G 2023.